When you're on your Android phone and if you're using your Android camera for taking videography or photography, sometimes people would be requiring a video with a short duration. That is called a short video, and all the Android phone comes up with that particular menu. I'm going to show it to you in this Android camera, whichever I'm using. If I'm holding this Android camera and my hand, this would be coming up with some menu here. If you observe, the menu starts from slow motion, short video, photo, portrait, night, panorama and pro. In some of the Android phones it may be very less menu, and rest of the things will be in more options. If you are intended to do the short video, and you have to get into short video here if it is provided in your menu, or otherwise you have to go into that more section. After coming here, if I want to take the short video I can take into three variants here: one with the 1x zoom, and second one with the 2x zoom, and third one with the 0.6x zoom. That means a very less one. So 1x is the normal one. I am going to show it to you in my video. If I am taking this remote and with 1x, this is the thing which I am going to show it to you. This is short video, and next one with the 2x zoom, it will be taken as a short video, and same the case with 0.6x zoom, it will be very much higher zoom, and it will be very much lower zoom, and it will take you the video of short video here. So in this way you can take all the variants whichever is required to you in taking the short video. Keep utilize this option and make fantastic videos on your mobile too. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.